Did you know that our solar system is over 4.5 billion years old? That's right. Imagine all the fascinating events that led to the formation of our cosmic neighborhood. Have you wondered how Earth, along with its 7 planetary neighbors, came to be? Today, we're diving into the story of solar system formation. It's more than just planets and stars. It's a tale of dust, gas, and incredible forces. So, let's embark on this cosmic journey together. To understand how the solar system formed, we need to start with the basics. About 4.6 billion years ago, there was a giant cloud of gas and dust in space. This cloud is what we call a solar nebula. It was mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, the universe's most abundant elements. But it also contained heavier elements, remnants from older stars that had exploded. As the solar nebula began to collapse under its own gravity, things got really interesting. This collapse was likely triggered by shock waves from nearby supernovae. As the cloud shrank, it started to spin faster, similar to how an ice skater spins tighter when pulling in their arms. The center of this spinning cloud formed what we now recognize as the Sun. Meanwhile, the rest of the material in the nebula didn't just disappear. It flattened out into a rotating disk, known as the protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, particles began to stick together through a process called accretion. Tiny dust grains collided and stuck together, forming larger and larger bodies. These chunks of material were called planetesimals. They varied in sizes from small boulders to larger objects about a kilometer wide. Over time, these planetesimals attracted more and more material due to their growing gravity. This led to the formation of protoplanets. Now, let's talk about what happened next. In the inner part of the solar system, it became too hot for gas to remain. This is why we see rocky planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars here. They formed mainly from metal and rock, which could withstand higher temperatures. But further out, it was a different story. In the cooler regions of the protoplanetary disk, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn formed. These planets formed quickly and captured large amounts of gas, becoming massive. They grew so big that they could hold on to thick atmospheres. In addition to the gas giants, we also have ice giants like Uranus and Neptune. These planets formed in the cold outer zones and are rich in ice and gas. The unique characteristics and distances from the Sun differentiate them from the gas giants. As these young planets formed and grew, they weren't alone. There were countless other planetesimals floating around. Some collided violently, while others passed each other by. These collisions had a huge impact on the formation of our solar system. For example, it's believed that a Mars-sized body collided with young Earth. This cataclysmic impact led to the formation of the Moon. In essence, our Moon is a product of cosmic chaos and creation. As this process continued, the leftover debris gradually cleared away. The planets settled into stable orbits, and the solar system we know today began to take shape. Each planet has its own unique journey, but they all share a common origin in that solar nebula. We also can't forget about the smaller members of our solar family. Asteroids and comets are remnants from that early solar system. Asteroids primarily reside in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. Comets, on the other hand, come from the colder outer regions, such as the Kuiper belt and Oort cloud. So what does all of this mean for us today? Understanding how our solar system formed allows us to learn about the universe. It gives us context for not only our own planet but potentially others we haven't discovered yet. Who knows what other wonders the universe has in store for us? Now that we've covered the formation of the solar system, what do you think? Do you find the origins of Earth and its neighboring planets as fascinating as I do? If you're curious to learn more about space, make sure to hit that like button. Let's keep exploring the mysteries of our universe together. So, to recap, our solar system started from a cloud of gas and dust, spent billions of years colliding and merging, creating the beautiful celestial bodies we see today. It's a story of chaos transforming into harmony. Don't forget to comment below about which planet intrigues you the most. Your thoughts are important to us. And hey, if you loved this video, subscribe to our channel Zahid Astro 2 My, share it with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge of our cosmic history. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming big.